Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at Entourage of 7 sunglasses, model Irwindale, in color code 01. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. And on its temples. The color of the frame is black, and the lenses are green. And these glasses are a square shape. On its temples, you'll find a gold pattern with 2 dice. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Entourage of 7 Los Angeles logo, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple, you find the model name and the dimensions of the frame and the color code. The lens is 47, the bridge is 27, and the dimension of the temple is 147. The glasses also come with the Entourage of 7 cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, make sure to check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.